Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to lock your Android phone with pattern, just like what you see right here. Okay, so let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply go to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here, settings. Then I'll get into your phone setting. What you need to do is to simply make use of your search bar. So I'm going to click on here. Then I will type in pattern. Pattern, just like so. Then I'm going to select screen lock. So what I need to do next is to simply click on pattern right here. Just like so. Then I have to draw my pattern, the first pattern. Then having drawn the first pattern, next thing you want to do is to simply click on continue. Then confirm your pattern, just like so. The next thing you need to do is simply click on confirm. And the pattern is going to be applied to your phone screen on Android phone. So if you simply lock your phone just like this, and then by the time you want to access the phone again, you'll be asked to draw your pattern just like this. Boom, before you can have access to your Android phone. So basically, this is how to lock your Android phone with pattern without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.